Ahana is 5.5 months old. Hello, Ahana. Oh. Hello. Smile. Smile, Ahana. And Arya likes to read ABC. Arya, M is for?
Nest.
N is for nest. O is for?
Orange.
P is for?
Pink.
Pen. Yes. Q is for?
Green.
And the R is for?
Rabbit.
Yay!
What's the apple?
A for?
Apple.
B for?
Blue.
C for? C for?
Cool.
What's that?
Cool.
C for car. Crow भनेको crow पनि हो. D for के हो छोरो?
Dog.
Dog. अनि E for?
Egg.
F for?
Food.
G for? Oh no, छोरो, no. छोरो.